Welcome everybody to Fluid and Bones, the basics, rolling and breathing. Please find a place on the floor on your back. If you have any soreness in the lower back, please feel free to bend your knees up and plant your feet flat. Otherwise the body can be long. And just feeling into the body for a moment. Allow it to really soften. Feel the imprint of your body and how it's breathing. Notice the weight of your body and how it places on the floor from side to side, left to right. Let's take a minute or two to gently unwind. When you're ready, just going to open the right arm out to the side and let the knees sway gently towards the right and let the head roll gently towards the right and let the whole body just roll over to the right side. And it's more like a nun-eyes position than any sort of exercise position. See if you can let the forehead really soften into the floor. Let the belly be soft. And just see if you can feel how the body feels here. And then very slowly make your way back towards the center. It doesn't have to be perfectly back towards center. You might just bring one knee up. So as you're doing this gentle rolling action again, taking everything over to that right side, really feel the weight of your skeleton and the potential softness of all the tissues around the skeleton, and also that pliability of the bones themselves. And then gently roll back and find center. And just notice any changes. When you're ready, opening the left arm out. Let the left knee open out to the side. And just allow yourself to gently roll over to the left side. Really relaxed, letting the forehead be soft and heavy. And then how do you organize back towards center? And then once again, maybe reach through those right fingertips to help you head over towards the left-hand side. And just rolling the body. You can reorganize if you need to get a bit more comfortable. Feel how you breathe here. Feel which parts of you make contact with the floor. And then slowly let yourself unwind back towards center. Center the body, have a little wriggle, reorganize your clothes if you have to, and just rest and center and breathe. Notice what you notice. Has anything shifted? And you're just going to gently let the right leg open out to the right. The right knee opens. And you're going to breathe here in this open groin position. And then place the left hand on the chest and slide the left fingertips and hand along the length of the right arm. Let the head be soft. And let those fingertips reach out and beyond the arm until the whole of the torso is folded almost towards the floor. And then gently let that hand slide back up the arm, a little past the underneath hand, and let that left knee come back up towards the ceiling whilst the right knee remains released out to the side. And again, just try reaching through those fingers, letting the head roll softly. If you feel like there's too much strain through your neck, please feel welcome to get yourself a cushion to put under your head initially. Breathe here in this forward folded place. And then gently unwind both the arm and the left leg. And let the left arm come back out to the left side again. And one more time, take the left arm back across. Really feel the fabric or the skin underneath that left hand as you go. Feel what parts of the body roll on the floor. And slowly bring it back towards the center again. So this time you're stacking the hips and you're just taking the hand a little bit out and a little bit back up the arms. You're just moving the arms, head, neck and shoulders. And the hips have got a little bit movement to them, but they're staying quite still. And when you've done that, just gently reach the hand down past the pelvis in a circle, in a semicircle, and let the chest open towards the ceiling. And just breathe into whatever stretch you've got going on. If you're very tight through here, let the top hip roll with you a little bit. And then slowly circle that hand back around towards the other hand. And just repeat this a couple of times, circling the fingers down in a big semicircle down past your pelvis, out and open to the side. Breathe into that lovely opening through the front of the chest and the torso. And if you feel like you can either go back to the beginning via your pelvis, or if you feel like you can, gently circle the arm up and over the top of your head and back down towards the other hand. So you're just reaching these fingers in a big circle down past your pelvis, gently turning the arm out, rotating the thumb out away from you, and really feeling into that big circular movement of the arm and chest and head. Lovely reach from the hip bone all the way to the little finger as you go overhead. And then slowly make your way back to center. Lie for a moment with just the left knee up, feeling that open groin position with the right leg opened out to the side, and then bring everything back to center. And rest here. Maybe there's a change between your right and left sides. And when you're ready, just gently open the left knee out to the side and feel how the pelvis rolls with it. And then place the right hand on your chest and reach those right fingertips over towards the left hand side. And fold the body all the way over. Stack your legs on top of each other and just let that hand, the right hand, slide out towards the fingertips and then back up the arm a little, just mobilizing the shoulders and ribs. And then when you're ready, gently allow the fingers to reach down past the pelvis in a big semicircle and open the arm out to the side. Pause here for a breath. And then slowly let the hand come down back past the pelvis and back on top of the leg. And then gently circle that hand down past your pelvis and out to the side. And the eyes can gently follow the hand a little. And just like the other side, if it feels okay, reach the hand up and over the head and back round to the left arm, or otherwise let the circle of the arm just do a half circle, a semicircle back past your pelvis. So just nice and slow, breathing into this rotation through the body. Really allow your body to be fluid. All the fluids moving, rather than thinking about muscle structures moving. Have a softness in the quality. You don't have to muscle things to find a nice range. And then slowly bring that back to center. Let the right knee come up towards the ceiling and let the left knee just hang out long. And then gently bring yourself back, have a little wriggle, and just see how that's feeling. If you have time, please carry on with the basics part 2. Otherwise, thank you. Enjoy these newly expanded ribs and shoulders, and we'll see you for the next one.